This is the neck fan, and it's the best thing ever invented. Basically, you turn it on and it blows cold air on your neck. And I'm never taking it off. Ever.
Cat owner life hack.
Things you didn't know you needed from Amazon, Part 5. Never be uncomfortable in the bath again with this luxurious bath pillow. It is a must-have. The 3D air mesh technology makes it breathable for easy drying and has 6 large, extra strong suction cups to hold it in place. There is also a hook at the top, making it easy to hang.
With the summer heating up, this umbrella not only provides UV protection, but with batteries in a water bottle, you can turn on the interior fan and even spray a cooling mist anytime you'd like. Could be great for sporting events, the pool, or any other outdoor activities. So, what do you think of this? Bathroom gadgets you need or don't. This shower speaker is the only one in the world that is powered by water. It charges automatically each time you shower, so you never have to worry about charging it up. It will save on electricity bills, works when the shower is turned off, and is portable as well. And if your shower rod won't stay on, this curtain rod holder peels and sticks and will securely keep your shower rod in place. So are these something you need or don't?
Rating as seen on TV products. Today I'm trying out the shoe slots, which claim to double your storage space for shoes. It comes in a pack of 10, which means it works for 10 pairs of shoes. These slots go into the back of them so that the heels of your shoes can balance. I absolutely love the clean look of these, the design feels sturdy, and it truly did save a ton of space. They're easy to pull out too, and I honestly don't have any flaws to mention. I'm giving them a 10 out of 10.
favorite Amazon finds.
Random Amazon finds you never knew you needed.
I think I found the cutest 4th of July t-shirt ever. This one has cuffed sleeves, is an incredibly soft fabric, and is only $9.99 with Prime shipping. Go ahead and stick with your true size. It's a total Amazon must-have.
If you love working outside but can't see a thing, this laptop bag opens up into a laptop tent that will reduce sun and glare and protect your laptop from the sun and rain so you can work outside anytime you'd like. It can be used with your phone locked up to prevent theft, has a strap, and even fits in this small bag. So is this something you need or don't?
Found the best Father's Day present this year, and I know because I'm a dad.
This little guy takes self back scratches to the next level. It gives you great leverage and mobility, and makes it so I don't have to have anyone else join in on the fun.
This is the smallest washing machine in the world. Here it is. Oh my god, look how tiny it is. It's even got a little water hose. Okay, let's get it on. Let's put some warm water in it. Let's put some of these in. Boop. And then I'm going to wash a sock. So I'll pop the sock in. And turn it on. Look at that. Teeny tiny washing machine. Okay, it's just stopped. Let's empty the water. Take the little hose. And out it goes. Make sure it dribbles out. And now we should have one clean sock. Just pop that to dry on there. Now right, bro. I think it's for kids. But it's cool.
This clip-on dashboard phone holder is by far my favorite. It has grips to secure it on the bottom and on the top. It has universal fitting compatibility. It has an adjustable 360-degree rotation. It's extremely helpful, especially when I'm using my phone as a GPS.
It's still dry January. Emil and I have been doing dry January. And I think she's breaking dry January right now.
Baby? Yeah, baby. What are you doing? What do you mean nothing? What is this?
I'm making a cocktail.
Oh, you don't say?
Yes.
Baby?
Yeah?
It's still dry January?
Nope.
Yeah, no. It's
No,
January
I work
31st.
off of the lunar calendar. So it's wet February for me right now. Don't worry about it.
Amazon favorites for on the go. This travel pillow is yesterday's news. Check out the travel pillow reimagined. Made of super soft fleece, all you do is wrap around the back of your neck and fasten it. It's machine washable, lightweight, and proven to help with neck support too. And if you have littles that like to sleep in the car, they make them for juniors too. Easy to stow and take with you on the go. Find it linked to my bio, like, and follow for more. With another Amazon favorites, this bladeless fan is so cool. Cool. It has 3 different settings and even has a bunch of different light settings that glow in the dark too. Charges by USB and it's a must for this summer. Find it linked in my bio, like, and follow for more.
Yo, what up? I've never had a snack drawer, so I'm gonna try and make one. First, I'm filling the mini containers. Mini M&Ms, these are so good. Sour Patch Kids and Cocoa Pebbles. This is so cute. Now I'm gonna fill the bigger ones. First, Oreos, Blue Takis, and Cheez-Its. Oh, now I'm gonna fill the even bigger containers. Anyone else like to snack on waffle cones? This one's gonna have fruit snacks and fruit strips. So excited, time to put everything in my nightstand. Yeah. Now I can properly binge watch Love Island. Goodbye.
Another Amazon favorites, stay cool this summer with this water bottle. It has a fan built right into the top. And it's also removable too, which makes it even more handy for on the go. Find it linked to my bio, like and follow for more.
Amazon Fashion Finds Part 25. Unboxing a brand new pair of sandals because summer is right around the corner and these Steve Madden slides do not disappoint. Sometimes I want a dressier sandal, but I don't want to wear a heel, and these are perfect for dressing up any outfit. Of course, the rhinestone details around the edge is perfect, and they also come in another color. They fit true to size.
Right.
Finally jumped on the sauna blanket train and I am soaked. Okay, so after a workout or before bed, I plug this baby in and turn it up to my desired heat. I then lay in it for 30 minutes to an hour and oh my god. But what's the point? I get it. Hold on to your butts. I'm gonna list the benefits. Reduces stress and inflammation, releases toxins, burns calories, boosts collagen, promotes blood flow, and improves sleep. Since we're gonna be getting nice and wet when we use this thing, it wipes down and is 100% waterproof. It also folds up so you can carry it or store it easily. May the infrared gods bless you. So
if you just know you're that girl, yeah, you just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl.
What if you don't wake up feeling like that girl? How do you be that girl?
You need to go back to sleep and wake back up again so you can feel like that girl.
This is Little Talk by Best Self. It's a deck of conversation starters to help you cover a variety of topics with your little ones. Emotional intelligence, likes and dislikes, self-expression, and hopes and dreams. The great events of this world take place in the brain.
Amazon Kitchen Favorites. This simple piece of bakeware will make your serving experience that much more enjoyable to the eye. It comes in 3 pieces. The bottom piece is going to be an easy lift to get everything out of the pan. Then you're going to have the cutting piece, which is where the magic happens. Go ahead and mix up whatever you're going to make. I personally like to use this with brownies. All you do is place it atop and then just apply some pressure with your hand, and all your brownies will come out perfectly shaped.
Heard of the bougie beach chair? It's all over the internet, so I had to see the hype. It's a beach chair with an adjustable padded footrest and a pad for the back too, but here's the cool part. When it's flat, it has armholes so you can read or look at your phone, and a face cushion so you're comfortable on your stomach. Then just push the face cushion in and fold the pillow over to be comfy on your back. There's a hole in the armrest to fit an umbrella, a fold-out cup holder, a belongings bag, and it's easy to carry. There's also a less expensive version that's nearly identical. The only difference is it doesn't have the removable cushions, the material's more mesh than solid, and it doesn't have the belongings pouch. Overall, it is pretty cool and might be worth the splurge if you use a beach chair all the time. What's your vote, bougie or basic beach chair? Tell me in the comments and follow along for more fun finds.
Amazon Kitchen. Gadget that you absolutely need this summer. If you love pineapple as much as I do but absolutely hate cutting it, then you need to get this pineapple cutter that allows you to peel, core, and slice your pineapple into perfect chunks every single time in less than a minute. I have it linked for you guys in my Amazon storefront, so make sure you head over there and check it out for yourself.
These two kitchen